No. Yeah. We discussed about printing and pyramid pattern. Now we discuss about printing number and how to print the number pattern. And this semi pyramid, you can take this pattern as semi pyramid. Now we have initialize and with value 7 and taken digit is equal to and then we are using a for loop for k in range n comma 0 comma -1. This we have discussed when we were discussing the range start stop. We discussed this in the for loop section. Those who are getting confused, they can go through the for loop lecture. Digit comma and equals. This is how we can print the number pattern. Instead of we can take n is equal to 8 or anything we want to take. N is equal to 8. Just that you have to use int here because we are using digit, so we have to use uh, integer 1 to 10, whatever we want to use. In this way, you can print any pattern you want. And I hope you get the concept. For learning Python, for learning data science, full stack data science, full stack developer, and other courses, you can message us. And my number is 966 384 9. My number is 96677 38426. I'm repeating 96677 38426. So you can message us at this number for regular classes. We will be registering you. You are in the and we were discussing everything about the courses we want to learn. Thank you.